Hi guys! Today I'm very excited because हम जा रहे हैं श्रेया घोषाल के कॉन्सर्ट में। सुपर एक्साइटेड! आउटफिट डिसाइड करना है, मेकअप करना है, हेयर करना है। So आज के लुक के लिए I want something chic but with a traditional touch. Maybe I'll add some accessory or something. और उसके बाद लेट्स सी हम क्या कर पाते हैं। लेट्स स्टार्ट विद मेकअप और मेकअप करने के बाद हम आउटफिट डिसाइड करते हैं। वैसे मेरे दिमाग में 2 आउटफिट्स हैं और दोनों आउटफिट्स आई डोंट नो हाउ इट इज़ गोइंग टू टर्न आउट बट लेट्स ट्राई सी। बाय द वे मैंने कल स्किन पीलिंग करी थी सो माई स्किन लुक गुड टुडे। कुछ भी नहीं लगाया है अभी, not even a moisturizer, सिर्फ lip balm लगाया। So no moisturizer, nothing, but my skin is looking quite good, but it feels dry. Yes. Yeah. So let's just do some skincare and then just do some makeup and then look for our outfits. Let's go. I'm doing this for the first time. I don't know. Just do it this way. Yeah. Okay. I'm not able to arrange this now. Am I like too bad at it? I can do it. Cool. I think this is fine. So let's just do some skincare before that. I'll put my hairband. और हम क्विक करेंगे क्योंकि मुझे लेट नहीं होना है. I don't want to miss any song, not even a single song. So let's get ready with Arzu for Shreya Ghoshal's concert. I'm missing out my first product, which is a toner. Okay, I got my toner. This is a rice water toner and I love it. I've been using it from last 2-3 months and I'm loving it. बाल पे भी चले जाए तो कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है because it is for your face and hair both. So let's do this toner thing first and उसकी serum लगाएंगे and then we'll moisturize. टोनर हमेशा एकदम ड्राई हो जाए फेस, क्लेंस करने के बाद, वॉश करने के बाद, उसके बाद ही टोनर लगाना है. नाइस. आई यूज दिस L'Oreal का 1% glycolic serum. It's really good. Trust me, like 2 drops and you're done. थोड़ा ज़्यादा आ गया शायद. अभी मैंने स्किन केयर करना शुरू किया है. आई डोंट नो इफ इट्स अ ट्रेंड बट आई रियली वांट माय स्किन टू लुक गुड बिकॉज आई फील गुड व्हेन माय स्किन लुक्स गुड. अच्छा लगता है, सबको ही अच्छा लगता होगा. इफ यू हैव सम बेटर सजेशन फॉर माय स्किन इज अ कॉम्बिनेशन स्किन. अगर आपको लग रहा है कि यू हैव some good products to suggest, just let me know please. I'm using this oil-free daily face moisturizer. This is from Dermaco. I'm using like थोड़ा ज़्यादा moisturizer. I'll layer it. Preferring not to use sunscreen. I have like dark circles and hollow वाले dark circles, so I'm trying to like cure it with normal eye gel, but I don't know if you guys know anything for dark circles which is like very nice. Please let me know because I really want my dark circles to go like really. Yeah, let's start with makeup. I've recently seen this Stays Beauty ka HD Glow foundation. I honestly love it. I also had a powder and setting spray which I left at my home because my mom also loved it. अभी वो मम्मी के पास है and we are just doing our thingy. I don't know, this one makeup sponge is really nice. Other makeup sponges that I brought is like, I don't know, they absorb the product and then it is not there on my face. So I really like this sponge which I keep using. This is like very soft and nice. It doesn't hurt my skin and it gives a good coverage also. Doesn't absorb the product. I guess we're good. I'll just go and look into the mirror once. Nice now. I like it so much. I use this Maybelline ka New York. Sorry, what God? I use this Maybelline New York eraser concealer, which is really a game changer. Matches my shade. It is a corrector and concealer both for me. It works really well. Yeah, I use the same sponge because I love it. The sponge is really nice. Gives you a good coverage. I don't know where I bought it from, but it is really good. Yeah, gives a good coverage. So I'm using this trick where you put blush and highlighter and then you blend and it comes out really well. I'll show you the before face also and I'll show you after face also. Like blush, and I use this Swiss Beauty liquid highlighter which is really good. And then I use some blush with this, sorry, highlighter with this. We'll blend and just see the magic. Can you see this? Yesterday only I got this hack and I am just loving it. I mean, look at that glow. It is so nice. Okay, yeah, so good. Look at that. If you want, you can use more highlighter. I'll use little more highlighter this side. I feel it's little low here, and I don't like contouring my face too much because I feel I don't know how to do it. So it doesn't turn out to be good. But sometimes it does. But today we are not doing it. And let's use this setting powder. I'll do eye makeup at the last because I want to keep it very subtle and normal. I'll put powder on my face. How does it feel? It looks really nice, right? We'll put some eye makeup and then we'll do eyeliner and mascara. Okay, I can't see my palette. Where's my palette? My eye palette is missing, guys. Where is my eye palette? Okay, I don't have too many eye palettes. Okay, I'll probably use this one. I have this palette. I'll use this shade maybe, very normal subtle look. I feel it is too much and I don't want this. It does feel like too much on the camera, but no, it's not. It's not. Trust me, it's not. It's just some shimmer that I tried to put. I think I'll go with highlighter. Okay. I've been using this liner from Zudio. It stays in my eyes and it's easy to remove. Little wingish kind of shade, yeah. Sorry, wingish kind of liner. What I want. Perfect. I'll do the same for this side in the mirror. Came out so good. Nice. So whenever I put mascara, I get lot of compliments and people ask me which mascara I use. So I'm telling you guys which mascara I use. It's a Lash Sensational Sky High mascara from Maybelline, which I got a call in between. Yeah. So this is the mascara that I use, Maybelline New York Lash Sensational Sky High, which I absolutely love. So I'm just putting. I'll also show you the technique of how I put. So don't just do like this because I've heard it's not nice for your mascara and I want it to last for a long time. So let's see how I put my mascara. And okay, so this is my before and we'll just put some mascara from the top all through your first to last lash and then just, can you see that? So yes, now I put my mascara. Oh, can you see that? It's so good. And I won't take extra mascara. I'll just do this on my lower lashes as well. और फिर ये एकदम मस्त है, एकदम खूबसूरत. My lower lashes were literally not visible. That's how I do my mascara, guys. It's a trick that I do it. I don't know from where I learned, but yeah. So this is my before and this is my after. I hope you like it. I'll do this on my other lash as well, and it is just one stroke, you can see, just one stroke. Okay, I just do like this while I put my mascara so that there are no lumps here. And it's okay if you put some mascara down eyes or outside your lashes, but it's really fine because once it dries you can just wipe it off, or you can test your concealer then and just put some more concealer and cover it. This is how I do my mascara. And same this side. Mascara is done, guys, and I love it. I love the look already with my makeup. It came out to be super nice, the kind I wanted. And let's actually do the lipstick after we wear the dress. So let me just show you what I'm planning to wear. So I have this long shirt, like really long shirt, which I can wear with a jeans and pair it with some jewelry. Or okay, we're supposed to close this as well. Or I want to wear a skirt, which I'm not getting already. But yeah, no worries. Let's see. I'll just change and decide my fit, and let's meet again. तो नीचे से मैं थोड़े थोड़े बाल को कर्ल कर रही हूँ. We definitely need curls. आधे मैंने कर लिया है. आधे मैं और कर रही हूँ. I'm still figuring out. Still thinking कि सामने से what should I do? Like I've had longer hair from my childhood. Almost I guess 4th 5th class से I've had like long hair, and I keep experimenting because why not? पहले मैं heat protectant यूज़ नहीं करती थी because मुझे नहीं पता था ऐसा कुछ होता है, and I had like zero idea about it. So but now when I mean when I know it, I use it because obviously nobody wants to damage their hair. Sometimes it's boring, sometimes it's good. Sometimes I'm just like I don't want to do anything to my hair. Let it be. ऐसे मैं वैसे ही रहने देती हूँ. I have an idea of a pony where your ponytail gets hidden at back of your hair, but then I'm not sure if I'll be able to pull it off with this outfit क्योंकि डाउट हो रहा है मुझे. और जनरली ऐसा होता है कि जब हम सोचते हैं कि क्या करना है बालों के साथ, ये करते हैं, ये एक्सपेरिमेंट, तभी चीज़ें ख़राब हो जाती है. मतलब मैंने कर रखी है पहले भी, पर मैं थोड़ी सी स्केप्टिकल हूँ अबाउट दिस थिंग. लेट्स सी. ज़्यादा देर तक टिकेंगे नहीं, दैट आई एम वेरी श्योर, क्योंकि भारी होते हैं बाल और वो स्टे नहीं करते हैं. फिर आगे के हेयर सेट करना है. कर्लिंग हो गई है. इट लुक्स नाइस. Looks nice, I guess. Even if I like do a pony, it will look really nice. I think I can do a pony. थोड़ा सा हाथ चल गया है. First try for it. Let me actually just do it there. Okay, and the comb. I don't use wax and all, so I'll just try and do like this only. Okay, so this is like the one part of the hairstyle. जिसमें you tie itna hair, and second part I'm telling you. I'm just trying to find. So this is the second part is like tying this hair, all of this hair, it's close to the first one, like really close to the first one, like this. I'm not sure कौन-सा आने के बाद my hair will be alive or not, but I'm very sure कि ये टिकेगा. So this is done. Now I'll tell you. We will pull this out a little, and we'll just make a gap in between, like from here, yeah, like this. And then we will just pull out this part of your hair like this. It's a little hard, tricky, but very easy. You pull this off and then you tighten this and then you do it like. Can you see it? It looks really nice, and some here, and I'll keep some backside only. I want to like, it's my hairstyle, and it looks really nice. Honestly, I think I'm ready. Let's just put some lipstick on, which will like stay outline little dark. And just my lipstick on. So last is setting spray. माइक हटा लेती हूँ. Done! We're ready, guys. We're ready. We're nice. Looking good. I feel good. I might take this off, but other than that, it looks really nice. Let me know. How do I look? So we're done. This is our final look. I'm not wearing that because I'm not wearing that because I think maybe too much. Cool. Looks like this. I'll wear shoes niche because I don't think anything else I can wear in a concert. Okay, so here we are done with our vlog today and मिलते हैं next vlog में. तब तक के लिए like, share and subscribe और दफा हो जाइए. Bye.